Dr. Sripati sir, I would request if you can extend a vote of thanks for the wonderful 1.5 hours which Yatiraj sir has spent with us. Over to you, Sripati sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, I would summarize your session in only just 3 words. Yatiraj sir, I am sold.
Oh, thank you. I love to hear those words.
I'm sold. Because I was always an operational guy, you know, how to make improvements and increase your profits and things like that. So I've seen many companies, of course, in my industry lifetime of about nearly 50 years, you know. I've seen plenty of companies, including the overseas companies, right? So I've always been focusing only on you know, operational improvements. Okay, sales is a kind of a, I know that very well. I respect the sales guys very much because without them, you know, there is no operations at all. I have to shut my factory and then go home. That's it. So I always used to call the sales guys to the factory and please come and tell us, you know, how you have sold and don't do any wrong selling with the customers and wrong commitments, right? So that is how we increase the sales, and then always people would love to come to the factory in Wipro and then make their presentation as to on the forecasting and things like that. Okay, so I have absolutely no words to say. Okay, awesome. So many words I can use, but it's only dictionary. But from my heart, I'm telling you, I'm sure all the participants would agree with me. It's a great session, awesome session, fabulous session, and that's it. Okay. But we look forward for interacting with many of the people who are going to be the beneficiaries by using your process as such, by your teachings, right? So that's it, sir. Thank you very much. I hope all of you will unmute and then give Yatiraj sir as a big hand, please.
Thank you. Thank you for the big hand. But more than with your big hand, I would love some feedbacks. And of course, if any questions, you can unmute yourself and share what did you learn? What were your takeaways? Okay. What were your aha moments? And if you have any questions.
Sir, I have
officially, it is over, right?
Yeah. Sir, yes. I have a question. Have you written any book or something like that?
I saw your question. I answered. It is in the process. I'm writing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Please.
So I think it should be out quickly.
Yep.
So, Mr. Divakar sir, you would like to make any comment or share your input? Please go ahead, sir.
Very good evening. Unfortunately, I have joined a little late and missed a bit part of it. I would like to catch up with my friend KRS after this is over.
Sure. I'm here.
All right. But whenever you joined, if you have any 1 or 2 points you'd like to share.
The thing is, the most important thing is, my friend KRS says he sold out. Actually, the whole idea, that means when somebody can convince KRS correctly, he is always right, and he's kind of very, very accurate in assessing people and the session and things like that.
Oh my God, I'm so honored, Dr. Sripati.
Sir, Divakar was with us in the quality when we started Wipro. The first guy to enter into Wipro factory, the first guy. So I was involved in all the startups and then the process inclusions and things like that. So Divakar was with us in the quality. That's it.
All right. Yes, Anusha.
First of all,
KRS was like a guru for us.
One second. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Anusha.
So it was a lovely session. I enjoyed thoroughly. And when it happened in the Google Meet, I joined at 45. It was a closing time. I felt very bad. Then I was asking Universe, I want to attend Yatiraj sir's next time. And it happened very soon. So I'm very passionate about this marketing and sales, how the influencings on our, through our eyes or through their talks. So I'm looking forward for your session, very eagerly waiting. Thank you so much and loved your energy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Anusha. Yes. Who next?
With your permission.
Yes. Yes, Divakarji.
Yeah. Actually, we all come with a different background, particularly in my case, technical background and people with operations, production background and all. Now the digital marketing and the complete, the whole marketing concept is totally changed. And there is so much that we need to learn. We need to, realign ourselves with actually the need of the hour. Okay. So I think the future is looking now that a lot of things are going to be changed actually from what we have been practicing previously. That is what is there, and it's good that you're giving us valid advice and going to help us out. Okay. So we look forward to your book actually.
Sure, Divakarji. Tarunji, Nimit. Amit. Hi, Amit. Nice to see you, man. Oh my God, really great. Would you like to share anything, Amit? You're muted. No voice.
Yes. He's not on mute, but
Amit, we are not able to hear you.
Mic is not working.
No, it's
I
okay
think your
now.
mic is not working.
Now, okay, we can hear you, Mr. Amit.
Shankarji, Ramkumar Sheshuji is also there. I would like to hear him. No? Listen to him.
Let me just see.
He is there.
Yeah.
He's very much there. Throughout the session, I saw him.
Yes, Ramkumar sir, we would like to hear from you.
You can explain, Itaraj sir, about the mission of Ramkumar sir.
Sure. And before
He is
that,
on
I would
mute.
like to appreciate Shiv Kumar Shetty because he has sent a message, payment done.
I have already done it, sir. I'm the first guy to do it.
Oh, Dr. Sripati, okay.
I opened the account. Yeah.
Fantastic. Awesome.
We have 3.
I have got 3, sir.
We
Okay.
have 4.
4,
We have
fantastic.
4 people confirmed. I might have missed because there are a lot of messages coming. So Shivaram sir has confirmed. Tarun Kumar has confirmed.
Okay. Ram Kumar, we were able to hear, we were about to hear from Tarun and Ram Kumar.
Finance person also joining.
Huh?
Finance person.
Oh, Gopalji is also joining. Okay. Congratulations, Gopalji.
Sir, I myself have to join because I have only organized this program. That will not make me a salesperson. So I would like
We as
Awesome.
finance professional need to do a lot of convincing to the lenders and
Yeah, we should learn first of all how to sell. Then only we
Yeah. Even, sir, nowadays, even free has to be sold.
exactly.
Yeah.
I'll repeat,
Otherwise it has
even
no value.
free has to be sold.
Otherwise, it has no value.
Very true.
So that the session will be very
so.
Ram Kumarji, we are waiting to hear from you. Ram Kumar Sheshuji.
Ramkumar Sheshuji.
I think we are not able to unmute. Sir, can you?
Yes, we can hear. We can hear you.
Can you unmute all?
Yes, we have unmuted all. 1 second, let me see. Just give me a second. No, unmute all. The problem is, if they have background noise, we'll have a problem. But anybody can unmute themselves. Everybody has the freedom to unmute themselves.
Yatiji, shall I talk? I'm Jagdish.
Yeah, sure, Jagdish.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Oh, this is our Jagdish. Hi, Jagdish.
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
my God, so happy to see you here. Jagdish is
Yes,
one of my
yeah.
earlier participants.
Yes, I did
Yes,
his
Jagdish.
course in April. And after his course, I started calling everyone. Even my customers are younger to me. But by default, previously, I'm calling them by sir. But nowadays, I'm calling by Mr. or Mrs. It gave a tremendous change in me. That's an excellent learning. And you will be enjoying all in 3 hours. You will get many aha moments. And it's a wonderful journey with Yatiji.
You know, those of you who are in the WhatsApp group, I'll share Jagdish's video.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, Jagdish. And by the way, Jagdish is in real estate. So you know how difficult it is to sell real estate in general, and especially during COVID, right?
Yeah. Now
Yes,
I am not a
Ramkumar.
builder. I am a buyer's assistant.
Right.
You will learn more about it in session. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yes, Rajkumarji.
Ramkumar Sheshuji, good evening.
Ramkumarji, sorry.
Good evening, sir. How are you? Thank you very much.
Fine,
For that absolutely
getting on by God's blessings. Yes.
fantastic, sir. Thank you very much, sir. That was a lovely session, I must say.
Thank you. So can I know a little about you?
Oh, sir, I think Shankar should have introduced Ramkumar Sheshuji about his mission, particularly.
Okay.
Love his mission.
Sir, I run a company called Born to Win.
Born to Win. Okay. Yeah.
And Born to Win is it's a company that's focused on helping people implement their plans.
Okay.
And so we do this, just 1 minute. So we do this across the country. We work with about 250 odd companies till date. And my current mission in life is to create 1 million enlightened entrepreneurs. So I am now, and I'm doing this with the help of a Indic model, which is to align the 4 Shaktis: Ichha Shakti, Gnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, and Manas Shakti.
Wow.
And so that's what that's the attempt. We're gaining a lot of interesting traction across the country. Born to Win is a program that is based on the learnings of the Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
So we've trained more than 100,000 people, sir, till now in the last 16 years. 4 offices: Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, and Bombay.
Okay.
It's been a nice journey, sir. And it's a privilege that, some of my old friends are here. And today was fantastic, sir. Thank you so much for that lovely share, Rajji.
I think we should connect because, I also have a lot of interest there, and I have a program called Goal Setting to Goal Getting.
My goodness, Amit Nath is here. Amit
Yes.
is holding his certificate, sir. This is the Born to Win certificate.
Okay. I'm not able to see that. Okay, fantastic.
I don't know if you can see
All right,
this.
Amit. Awesome, Amit.
Amit is
Amit
I
is a
was,
very old contact. Amit and I, we know each other for quite some time now. Amit's mic is not working, I think. Otherwise, we could have.
I'll check. Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
we can.
Yes, okay. Yes. So I am so happy I'm glad that I'm talking in terms of midst of all my teachers, all my guides and gurus who had actually shown. Ram sir had been one of the pioneers when I was working with P.N. Rao as a marketing head. And I think my journey for mindset and all this thing starts. Every day morning, still I have this, every day morning, it's there in the desk of the gods which are there. The certificate lies there. I'm so humbled, sir, and I wanted to talk to you also, in fact. So I think this is all reputations. Yatiraj sir has been a kind of a guru for me. He has been last couple of months, he has been on phone. He has been guiding me. Amit, aapko ye karna hai. And I'm just following it blindly. And I think I'm getting all the blessings in a nice way. So I'm so happy that I've been invited by Yatiraj sir today. Thank you so much for making my day an amazing day and having all the gurus with me today. Thank you so much, sir.
You were working with A.N. Rao, you said?
P.N. Rao.
P.N. Rao.
I was head of marketing for P.N. Rao for quite some time. I was heading for Vasan Eye, HCG, Emulate, a couple of other companies. Now I'm running multiple companies also. And I have a wish to meet all of my gurus one-on-one presently to touch their feet. That's the only wish I have. Thank you so much.
I was just going to send you a message, Amit, today morning, saying that we need to talk, we need to connect. And look, this is the...
Ramkumarji, think of an angel and he's there.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. I completely agree with you.
I want to just add one more thing. So in this last COVID times also, probably last, I was doing this closing things. I think Yatiraj sir knows about that. And whatever I was earning out of this, apart from my other, the work, I was able to start 3 companies on one single day.
Wow.
For which my parents boycotted me. So all the guidance to and all the gratitude to everyone here. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Atreya, would you like to share anything? Tarun, would you like to share anything? Shiv Kumar, would you like to share anything?
Yeah, Tarun here, sir.
Yes, Tarun.
I think whatever you have said today, it's just a tip of an iceberg, and lots more to hear and go through your sessions. I think you are one of the guide who can sail us through the selling process, because we are going to establish, and we have to establish the backbone is sales.
Yes, you are
So
absolutely.
I look forward for more and more of sessions, and certainly more guidance from you all.
Sure.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, Atreya, Divakar, or anybody else. Otherwise, we'll call it a day.
While we speak, 7 confirmations so far,
Yeah, I could see.
but I might have missed something. Few people transferring, so a lot of messages around. So, yeah, I'm seeing Sri Krishna. Okay, so 7, 8. We are already 8.
All right. Sri Krishna. Yes, Sri Krishna sent a message already. Anusha, I'm not able to see your name. No, I'm not pushing you. I'm not pushing you,
I'm
Anusha.
yet to install it.
All right. Anybody would like to share anything, ask anything, or shall we call it a day, Shankarji?
Yes, we are good to go.
If
And-
anybody has any reservation, feel free to ask. There is no compulsion, no obligation to join, but my suggestion will be don't miss this program, because it's almost impossible to get it at this investment. I mean, this is absolutely kind of a zero investment.
Sir, I had a question to ask.
Sure.
There are some very difficult customers.
Yes.
You know, they don't agree. So how to make out what they are up to before you get into your ways of selling?
Okay. Absolutely awesome question. And you know, in the program, we'll be talking about identifying need. And one of the things in identifying need is qualifying and disqualifying the customer. Okay. First thing we have to understand is we don't have to sell to everybody. Okay. So we have to be willing to give up on a customer, because sometimes what happens when you're trying to convince a difficult customer, you're losing 4 other sales, which could have come in very easily.
So the time is important.
Yes. So, you know, the value of your product versus the amount of time you invest. If you're selling something worth lakhs and crores, then maybe it's worth investing a lot of time. But if you're selling something which is worth 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, then probably you shouldn't invest more than 2 or 3 visits. And again, in the session, we'll talk about this, that sometimes we, you know, I call it overselling. Okay, so I'll show you with a graph that when is the right time to close, and if you don't close there, and if you go more, I call it selling and then buying it back. When they are ready to buy, we don't close. You know, I don't know how many of you have heard that beautiful story. There was a guy who had gone to a church, and when the priest started delivering a sermon, he said, "Wow, I should contribute at least $5." And then the priest went on, he said, "Oh my God, this is so good. I should put $25. And then the priest went on and he said, "Oh my God, this is awesome. I should put in at least $50. And when the plate came, he took away $10. Why? Because priest didn't know when to stop. Am I making any sense, guys? Anybody like this story?
Yeah, I love the story. True.
Lots of makes sense.
No, I was actually, my question was directed towards how to know is kind of a hidden mindset or a prejudiced mindset, you know. So he doesn't want to accept anybody. You know, he would already decided on somebody else.
Can I ask you one question, Dr. Sripati?
Yes, sir.
What color is this? Now, please don't tell white. Tell me any color except white.
its own color.
Yeah, whatever color. Okay, the point I'm trying to make is,
Milk.
let us assume you are asking me this question and I
Yeah.
say it's black. Now,
Okay.
if I have decided not to be convinced,
Right.
what can you do to make me convinced that this is white?
You have to give some facts and figures and examples.
After that also I say it's black.
Okay.
See,
then
if I
you
have,
to quit.
see the point I'm
You
trying
have
to,
to quit. Yeah, you have to quit. That's it.
correct. Because if
Quit.
somebody has made up their mind not to be
Exactly.
convinced, okay, you know, there's a beautiful quote, don't fight with a pig because pig will make you dirty and
Yeah.
still he will enjoy it.
Yeah.
Pig will enjoy the fight, right?
Yeah, people enjoy that, and you will start ending up with selling dirt.
Yeah. So, you know, I mean, best is to, you know, just say namaskaram and, you know, move on.
Sir,
Shake hands. Shake hands, and we are always there. Yeah.
Huh?
Shake hands, and we are always there. You can always call me back.
Absolutely right.
Sir, I would like to interrupt you for a minute. There are two questions from the audience. One, 24 people still after, because we officially closed the session, still staying back. First, they would like to know when you can do the session, sir. A date and time.
Sir,
Okay,
Yatiraj sir,
Yes,
I
yes,
have one
Athreya.
question. So, do you include any materials in your training from Miller, Hyman, or Challenger sale?
No. We have our own model, which we came up with 27 years back, and we have tried in every single industry, and it has given us fantastic results. In fact, you know, most of my work is with companies on a profit sharing basis. I don't do much of training and this thing. I work with companies and we work on a profit sharing. Okay. Because I know I can create results and I can get more money when I'm giving them results and asking for a percentage. How many of you agree with that?
Yeah, true. When they make money, they will always part with a small percentage of money. Obviously,
Right.
yes.
See,
Show them money, and then that's it.
right. If you can see Jagdish's comment here, Sitan, with Yatiji's coaching, you can make a tough customer as a good friend. This is what is happening to me. Jagdish is, I told you, Jagdish is my earlier
I think
participant.
he has
Yeah.
answered my question also.
Yeah, he has answered your question also.
Sir,
Okay, so when is the program coming back, Shankarji? Okay,
yes.
I was planning, I gave an option that we can make it on 25th December if people are comfortable on Christmas Day because it's a holiday for everybody. And then somebody said January, and I'm open, Shankarji. Okay, I would suggest to do in the last week or the first week of January. So you tell me the date and we'll go for it.
So only thing, 25th being a holiday, I don't know if whether anybody will have a reservation. We don't know. Maybe we can. Sir, right now I got 9 confirmations. One
Right.
person could not make because I already received 4 payments, but I'm not able to because I've not got all the messages.
That's okay. Doesn't matter. Yeah.
So I'll do those reconciliations. So as of now, there is a 9 confirmation and 4 payment already received.
Okay. So what do you suggest? Because you know your people.
Sir,
we still have about 23 people, so you people can suggest.
So I would suggest we will give 2 options. One,
Okay.
Friday 25th, 6 to 9.
Okay.
Or Sunday 3 to 6, which is 27th December. Are you okay?
27th, yeah. Yeah, I'm okay with both.
And we will.
Because I have another program already.
We will go by the majority.
We'll go by majority.
I'll just type this out.
Friday should be okay because many of us are used to the Friday sessions. Friday should be good is what I feel.
Sir, should we prepone a little bit and make it 4 to 7?
You prepone a little bit. 9 is too late to close the session.
So 4 to 7 will do.
Yeah, that should be okay.
Yeah, both, you know, Sunday
Yes,
it could be, you know, Shankarji, Sunday also it could be 4 to 7 and Friday also it could be 4 to 7.
Okay, let us keep it simple. Friday, I am not looked at 20th December 4 to 7 p.m. or 27th December 4 to 7 p.m. 27th December.
Just imagine all of you are participating. Which of these two you would prefer? Can you please
Can
put it
create
in
a
the chat
poll.
box? Huh?
You can create a poll on that one. That will be much easier.
Can we create a poll after? Okay,
No,
I
in this
think there's
only.
there is a poll.
There's an option
Yeah,
poll.
there is an option I could see. I've created polls earlier, but not during the session. Now I'm doing first time during the session. So thank you very much for that suggestion.
Sir, tech person is always.
I know.
No, I have to take the decision, right? So we always say, okay, guys, now poll.
But how do I do that?
Oh, so I had not counted Anusha. So we are 10. We are double digit now. Thank you, Anusha.
Wow, awesome. Anusha, that's great. You pushed us from single to double.
Yep.
Okay. Nimit is saying, can you keep January as an option? Because he's saying that December is the end of the quarter, end of the year, etc. Gopalji, I'm not able to create a poll because I'm on poll. It says poll 1, edit, add a question, but it's not working.
Give him the rights. I think within a minute he'll create a poll.
Okay, something is going on. If it works, otherwise I'll give him.
Yeah.
Sir, you can take me off as a host.
No, give Gopalji the
host.
Yeah,
Right?
that's
I think I'll have to make him a host.
He will do it, because he's an expert in that.
1 second, where is Gopal?
Our life is only in Zoom.
All right. I'm making a host, Gopal.
Okay.
Done.
Yes.
And you keep January also as an option. January 3rd January, Sunday.
Not getting the option itself, full option.
Huh?
Since you are given a 24 hours option,
Yeah.
I
I'm not
think
getting
maybe
the poll
more of the
option
people
here.
will roll in, and then you can have 2 sessions, one in the December end and one in January.
Yeah.
Maybe yes. I'm not very sure.
Not working. No, poll is not working.
No, I'm not seeing that option itself for me.
No, I could see the option when I was a host.
Maybe the co-host, I don't
No,
know.
you are not a co-host. You are a host now.
Not seeing it.
You have to log in back again, or
No, okay, we can go the conventional way. It's not
okay. Yeah, on the message, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just give 3 options.
So friends, I would request, I will call out the option. First option is Friday, 25th December, 4 to 7 p.m.
Can I put first option Friday 20?
Okay, Peli, can you give me back the host?
Yeah.
25th December, 4 to 7 p.m.
Okay, I'll give that hosting to him. Second.
The second option is Sunday, 27th December, 4 to 7 p.m. Third option is
1 second. Yeah.
3rd January.
Yeah, Sunday, 3rd January, again, same time, 4 to 7 p.m. So we will keep time as constant, that is 4 to 7 p.m. We have 3 options, 25th December, 27th December Sunday, and 3rd Jan.
So just write 1, 2, or 3. Okay,
Yeah.
administration says 3rd Jan. Friday, 25th December, okay.
So we have 2 3rd Jan, Nimit is 3rd.
3 3rd Jan.
So we, as guys, we respect your choices, but we have majority right now for 25th December.
No, 25th December is 3 and 3rd January is 3. Okay, 4 and 3. 4 and 3.
Only 7 has come. There are about 10.
No, but then more registrations may come in, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Unless
5.
we listen to
No,
them.
there are 6 on 25th December, so we'll go for 25th December.
No, sir, we may have
Nimit?
to listen to some more people who are making the payments later because you have given them 24 hours.
So, sir,
No.
We'll not keep it open, sir.
no, there are 4 people now.
We'll finalize the day now. Date we'll finalize right now,
So,
and then
Sripati
people
sir,
can decide.
Sripati sir, Shivaram sir, Anusha, I don't know, you've given the choice. I think you've given, yeah, you've given 25th. I would also request Dr. Vijay Kumar sir. I will go with the 25th as of now by majority.
As of now, 25th December is done.
Yeah,
So,
Vijay Kumar sir.
Sorry, Shivaram sir.
Vijay Kumar is telling something.
Who?
Mr. Dr. Vijay Kumar.
No, I said the 20th is fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have majority. So Mr. Sri Krishna as well as Mr. Nair. I'm not getting your name. Just
Nimit Nair.
I know you have a constraint, but I will make an offline request, or you stay connected. If you can get one more batch, second batch, first
That's
batch.
what I said. Shankar, because you are given 24 hours, you may even get another 10 people, maybe.
Right.
So you can have 2 sessions is what I was trying to say.
So those who are not part of MSME Knowledge Forum, I would request you leave your contact or ping me on the mobile number which is given.
Can you put the mobile number one more time?
Yeah.
If we get 20 participants and we have say 13 to 7, the 7 can sell their idea pre-sale to move it to 3rd January. Try the skills of sales.
Very good, sir. Very good.
Awesome.
Now I have to negotiate one more deal with Yetiraj sir. For every referral, you should give at least 10% discount.
Oh my God!
Additional beyond
You
20,
mean to say? You mean to say if the participants bring one more person?
Yes.
Sir. But we can give 10% to the referral, not to both.
Okay, so we have crossed 12 now.
Okay.
But also joined now. But I know.
If anybody brings one more person, they will get 10%. But you are a very good negotiator, Shankarji. I should invite you for my negotiation program to be a speaker.
All finance guys are like this.
I know.
I don't know whether
they will approve the budget and they won't release the money.
Should be happy if they approve the budget.
Yeah. No, there itself you have to struggle, but after that, when it actually comes to that, they will ask thousands of questions before releasing the money.
You know, Dr. Sripati, sometimes the CFO is more important than CEO.
Yeah.
Huh? Yes, Gopal, correct?
True.
No, even sometimes when the managing director says release the money, he will say no, sorry.
That is what I'm saying. CEO or managing director are more or less same, right?
That's right. I agree. CFO is more important.
Yes.
CFO is more important.
CFO is more important. Are you Dr. Vijay Kumar?
My managing
director. Yes, I am Vijay Kumar.
Okay. Because I can see only administrator, so I didn't realize.
Yeah. Somehow I got into some problem. And,
no, that's okay. That's fine. No, I just because I could not see Dr. Vijay Kumar anywhere, and I could see Dr. Vijay Kumar. Dr. Vijay Kumar. All right.
I am Vijay Kumar.
Acha, can you share the WhatsApp link? Can you? Please, Kautilya, please ask Shankarji on a one-on-one on his mobile. He will tell you what is the way to WhatsApp.
Sir, I would also suggest Shankar to create a small group.
Yes.
Till the end of the session. So at any missed out session, something is there, some information is there, Yetiraj can always put it on the...
No, that will be created.
Recorded, yeah.
No, that will be created because I'll be sharing some content even right now. As we are going forward, I'll keep creating some content.
Some more content, PPT, whatever it is, there notes and everything you can share on the group.
See, I can invite some of my friends for this session. So is there any background material or something about this program? If you can share something.
I'll do that. Plus what I'll do is, if it's okay, we have got 14 days. So maybe we can have one more session somewhere in between.
No, sir, not
May not
only
be
that,
Friday,
as
maybe
Gopal-
next Sunday or something.
No, as Gopalji was mentioning right now, if you can give us a half-page flyer,
the program.
I'll put it in my groups.
I will.
Yeah.
I have more than 250 people in my Wipro group itself.
Okay.
So
I'll create that.
I have
And
a
what I'll do
trainers
is
group.
I'll find a day in between the 2 weeks where I will do one more session like this.
That's
Okay,
why we
which will
need,
be
we need some
complimentary.
kind of
I will do that.
half-page flyer,
I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you.
please.
Sir, two things. One, whatever that offer you had, because you could not put that discount code because you gave me 14,999 plus GST.
Yes.
That is the only link. That if you can modify and make it special, and make it 799 and give it.
No. That is entirely different, Shankarji. That is a 15-hour recording.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
That's a 15-hour, not 3 hours.
Okay, understood, sir. So this one, right now we
And this
have,
will be live. That is recording. There's a huge difference.
understood, sir. So this one, you send me a similar link.
I'll do
and, you can put my Google Pay so that it is centralized. And those who are making the payment, I will keep adding. I will, right now, I already received a payment, but some of them not shared their name, some of them pinging without name. So let me just fix that in next 2-3 hours, sir.
Sure.
And I will get this group going. But the good thing is our core team, including Gopalji, we are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 people from this group core team itself.
Okay. And I am also giving my WhatsApp number. So anybody want to connect with me, you can also feel free to connect with me. This is my WhatsApp number.
This is what someone was asking. Is this Shankar's WhatsApp number? So
Yeah,
I was wondering
Shankarji's
whether Shankar
WhatsApp
is having
number is
another
here.
number, so I didn't.
I will give Shankar's WhatsApp number also.
Can you put it again, sir?
Yeah,
Yeah,
why
it's
not?
there.
Let me write my WhatsApp number once again.
I have written, sir. But only thing is I have written my mobile. Sorry, instead of writing Shankarji's mobile, I have written my mobile. So the first is my mobile. The second is Shankarji's mobile.
Sir, anyway, my branding will get improved by you writing my mobile number.
Starting with 88 is Yetrajji.
88 is mine and 78 is Shankarji.
Yep.
Shankar sir, like since you were having difficulty in tracking who and all have paid, so after the recording session, once the file gets stored, right, there is something called chat file. So you can, go back, scroll, and you can check who and all have
Yeah.
paid. So that can help you in tracking.
I will do that.
And Shankarji, are we sharing this recording with people?
This we have to do some edits, sir.
No, editing I will get it done, no problem. But are we sharing?
I will. If you permit, I would like to share it in our YouTube.
Sure, I can. I will get it edited and I'll share it with you.
Yes, that will be fantastic.
And
sir.
also you can put it in your WhatsApp group so that people who are not here, they can watch. If any of them want to join, they can join.
Right. So so we can that special your offer part. We will do a separate video in continuation of that.
Okay.
And Q&A one, so that if we put 2 hours, people won't watch.
Correct. Okay. I'll get it. I will send you the raw video as well as the edited video. Both I'll send it. However you want to take it, you take
Sir, one small request. Whatever Anusha madam has suggested, since you are the host, because I have not. Because today we have used the sir's hosting platform Zoom. So I would request if you can just record this or take extract of this chat, because once we close,
I'll send you the chat also.
Okay, sir. From there, I'll follow up and close this by preferably today or tomorrow morning. I will try to get this 12 to 13 people in one group.
Awesome.
And Anusha, you just ping me, because I might have not saved all the numbers. Just ping me on my. I'm just giving once again my WhatsApp number is given.
Okay, sir.
7829 is his WhatsApp number. Yes, Shri Krishna ji, take care.
So I would, I know we have just held back Yatiraj sir because he jumped from one session to this without any break. So once again, thank you, sir, for sparing your very, very valuable time. And many participants are really, really excited. And in fact, they are saying that the future session also you bring this kind of a topic and this kind of speakers. That's the kind of feedback which is given. So that is something which is a challenging task. I'll take it how to get another set of so the best way will be, as you suggested, we will do one repeat session so that we will get Yatiraj sir itself.
We can do one more session on negotiation.
Yeah, that would be great, sir. That would be great.
I can do a role play with you, sir.
Yeah.
Done.
I think this particular negotiation will be very interesting, and it is the need of the hour.
Yeah, very true.
Okay.
Very true. And I've got a couple of exercises which will be mind-boggling.
Sir, what we will do is right now we will do one repeat session of your same session. We will repeat.
Okay.
I'm sure people, because we had 129 participants, we will just repeat with them. I'm sure another 40-50 people will join.
Let's do one thing. Let's finalize. I mean, I'll confirm in maybe an hour, but 20th, let's see. 20th is Sunday, because 19th 18th you will have your own session. So 20th we'll do a repeat session.
Right.
Where I can also invite some people, non-MSME also we can invite. I mean, non-MSME knowledge forum people also we can invite.
Sir, the good thing is now you are part of our forum group, so you can post yourself.
Sure, I'll do that.
Right.
Okay. All right. Take care, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It was very nice.
Really enjoyed you. It was really awesome. And this interaction has been absolutely awesome.
And thanks all the participants, 15 participants still staying back and listening to sir. So once again, thank you all for your active participation and staying back and listening to us.
And one small request, those of you who are in WhatsApp group, please share your takeaways, share your learnings, share, how did you like it? Just as write up. It will give you two benefits. One is when you are sharing, you will be able to refresh. Number two, your sharing will prompt other people to remember, and their sharing will prompt you to remember some of the points you have missed. So just share a couple of sentences or one paragraph, whatever, in the group.
Right, sir.
Thank
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Good night.
Okay.
Have a wonderful